guys, welcome back to the channel Mumbaikar Boy. Yes, today we are here on this beautiful trip with actually family. We're going to two waterfalls that we would actually explore. One is the Baba waterfalls and one is Amboli Ghat. So yes, we are all ready. We were supposed to leave at 8 o'clock. It's approximately 8:10 or something. Let me check. Yeah, 8:20. Oh my god, it's too late. So we're waiting for Valanti and her family as well, because they are the ones who are coming with us. So yes, we are all ready, we are all decked up, and we should be hitting the roads pretty soon. You have those people coming in right there. Okay, these guys have just come in. We're all ready, you know. Let's. Morning. Let's. Good. You go something like that. Much better. So yes, we have finally come in one car. The family is here. All of you all. Are you all enjoying the trip? Yay! And we have stopped to the first spot. That's the first waterfall we can go up. So let's go ahead and explore it as well. And these are our friends. So that's where the car is, you can see it here. And it's very nice that they made this climb steps for the family. So that's basically the old way to come up. You can see the people coming in. That's basically the experience I wanted them to do as well. And this is what the government has made recently. If you want to go into the water, you can go, huh? So you can see, this is what we have come all the way from Goa for. Now unfortunately the car is the hired car. So I didn't know that you cannot bring it out of Goa because there is no permit. It's not a taxi. It is only allowed to roam within Goa. So any which ways we had Kate. So all of them hopped into Kate, and here we are to experience this waterfall. So we are actually headed to the main Amboli waterfall. There's a lot of crowd, but thank God, God is with us. We got a very good parking. And the team, that's the team there. Okay.
Say hi.
Say hi. But tell him 8 and give him the money. Huh? Wait. Hey. Come, all 8 come first. Huh? So there's an entry for 20 rupees over here. You can see. But they take very good care of the place. The public aaya, public! So this is how far the family has made. So it was an amazing experience. No words can actually define what this Amboli Falls is and what it looks like. I'm going to try and get you a drone shot. I'm not sure if I will be able to get one, but I'm going to try and get you a drone shot very soon. Fingers crossed. We were blessed with the beautiful weather at Amboli waterfalls. I hope you enjoyed the drone shots. Of course, I was lucky that the sun came out at the right time. Now we're headed with the family to Baba waterfall. You have seen a reel that I put many years back that I visited this waterfall with a friend of mine. That time as well I had come in a car, and of course I'll show you the scene. It's around 1 o'clock and it looks like it's early in the morning, or it's late evening, early evening. So yes, we are all headed towards Baba waterfall. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Oh my god, let's explore Baba waterfall soon. Yeah, असा अगोदर नव्हता ना?
काढले हा चिकतो
हाँ, just type. No, all give all, yeah, all behind. माझा ना टाकलाय, माझा ना टाकलाय, माझा ना.
दिले की तिथं लावून घ्या
हाँ, you got more, no? Yeah, okay, sorry. So we now recently this Baba Waterfalls has actually started
No more I have.
this band.
No. He's not given for mommy.
oh no it can if you
So we actually came in, per person it is 50 rupees, and for a car it is another 50 rupees. And we've actually got, sorry, for the car it's 100. And we've actually got bands this time. 3 years back, they didn't have bands. But my only worry is, if you're charging, why don't you make the roads proper? That is how the roads are actually. But again, it's an experience, so no complaints. Let's enjoy Baba Waterfall soon. So finally, the fam team has made it to Baba Waterfall. We have actually parked our car right there. We have another 2 or 3 kilometers of walking that we need to do. I think 2 kilometers of walking we need to do. And while we are walking, actually there are many waterfalls that we will get. So we're going to experience each and every waterfall, click some amazing pictures, and I hope you like this. So we have reached the second small waterfall. We call it small because what's coming ahead is pretty much big. So the boys actually are enjoying, trying to click some reels, click some videos of them climbing out. But yes, this is how the waterfall, this one looks. So we have finally reached the mother waterfall, no? Exactly as he says, it's the mother waterfall. It's actually the Baba waterfall. So we've reached the foot of the waterfall. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. I'm going to try and give you some beautiful drone shots because it's gone a little sunny. The clouds are not there. So we're going to try and capture some drone shots. Till then, enjoy Baba waterfall. So this is the experience I was talking about, you know, the caves right here. So you can see we are passing through in between cut caves, and this is the waterfall. You can see the waterfall is actually flowing from up. Isn't that beautiful? And this is the cave again to show.
Finally, we're at Baba waterfall.
So this is Baba waterfall for you all. so we just enjoyed the Baba waterfalls to the fullest. It's time to actually give you all a beautiful drone shot from Hulk. Well, this brings an end to a beautiful vlog over here at Baba Waterfalls and Amboli Ghat. I'm sure you might have loved both the waterfalls, this being the most beautiful one and not much explored by many. Well, if you want the exact Google location, you can find it as Baba Waterfalls on Google. This is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you. See you on the next vlog. Till then, peace out, ride safe, and see you soon.